Today, we're diving into the geolocation feature within the MCF app. Start by heading to the configuration section in Amazon MCF by WebBee and scroll down to the geographic location settings. You can activate this feature by selecting Yes. Now, let's understand how it works. When a seller manages multiple marketplaces, such as Amazon US and Amazon UK, this setting plays a crucial role. If the geolocation setting is turned off, the total inventory will be displayed as the sum of all available stock worldwide. However, once the setting is enabled, the inventory will be shown according to each specific marketplace region. For example, if a seller has 2 bats available in the US and 3 bats in the UK marketplace, with the setting off, it would display a total of 5 bats. However, when the setting is turned on, it will accurately show 2 bats as the inventory in the US and 3 bats in the UK, reflecting the correct stock for each region. Hope you now understand this feature. Thanks for watching.